Good morning, dear students. Previous class we solved some of the problems based on depression of bridging point. Then today's discussion is some of the numerical problems, solutions of numerical problems based on osmotic pressure. Problems based on osmotic pressure. To solve the problems based on osmotic pressure, first we remember some of the formulas. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪೈ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ osmotic pressure, that is equal to m into RT. Sometimes it is denoted by C. C means concentration. We directly written concentration, that is in terms of molarity, m anta barthivi. Then this is pi is equal to WB by MB into 1000 divided by VML into RT. This is the formula to calculate the osmotic pressure, and this formula is converted into molar mass, calculation of molar mass by using osmotic pressure. WB into RT into 1000 divided by pi into VML. These are the three formulas to calculate osmotic pressure, molar mass. And next formula is for an isotonic solution. For an isotonic solution, for an isotonic solution, constant osmotic pressure is equal to another solution. The osmotic pressure of one solution is equal to another solution. Pi 1 is equal to pi 2. Same osmotic pressure of two solutions are called isotonic. Or M1 is equal to M2. Molarity of the solution is equal to molarity of the other solution. Or N1 is equal to N2 for same volume of solution. Same volume of solution ittu antandre directly we consider N1 is equal to N2, that is number of moles of one solution is equal to number of moles of other solution. These are the formulas generally used for the calculation of problems based on osmotic pressure. Okay. Next question, 54th, 200 cm cube of an aqueous solution contains an aqueous solution contains 1.26 gram of the protein. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin is found to be 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the protein. Calculate the molar mass of the protein. Given R is equal to 0.083 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. This is the formula. Problem. In this, 200 cm cube of an aqueous solution containing 1.26 gram of protein. 200 gram of ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ aqueous solution ದೊಳಗೆ 1.26 gram protein. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin, temperature is given, that is 300, and osmotic pressure is found to be 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of protein, and R value is also given. Here first we write given datas. What are the given datas? Molar mass, weight of the solute is 1.26 gram. Then volume of the solution in ml, that is 200 cm cube. Then temperature of the solution is 300 Kelvin. Value of R is 0.083 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. Then osmotic pressure of the solution is 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. From these given data, we calculate the molar mass of the protein. Now, the direct relation that MB is equal to WB into RT into 1000 divided by pi into VML. For writing the formula, 1 mark irtade. Then substitution of values in the formula, correct substitution, 1 more mark. 1.26 into 0.083 into 300 into 1000 divided by pi is 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 into volume of the solution in ml, that is 200. Therefore, molar mass of the protein MB is equal to 61.03 into 10 raised to 3 gram per mole or kilogram per mole. This is the molar mass of protein. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 200 cm cube of an aqueous solution contains 1.26 gram of protein, and the osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin is found to be 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ the molar mass of protein is 61.03 into 10 raised to 3 gram per mole. That is ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 61.03 kilogram per mole is the molar mass of protein. Next is 55, 300 cm cube of an aqueous solution of a protein contains protein contains 2.12 gram of protein. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin is found to be 3.89 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass. Molar mass of protein, and R value is 0.0823 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. In this problem, same only values are different, and this is asked one time in your annual examination. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 16 ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೇಳಿದ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 16, 2016, and this problem is supplementary July 16. Here same problem, WB is given, weight of the protein is given, then volume of the solvent is given, osmotic pressure is given, then R value is given, temperature is also given. Directly substitute the values in this formula, will get answer. Given datas, WB is 2.12 gram, volume in ml that is 300 cm cube, then temperature is 300 Kelvin, R value is 0.0823 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. Osmotic pressure is 3.89 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar, and from this data molar mass is calculated. Therefore, molar mass of protein is equal to WB into RT into 1000 divided by pi into volume of the solution in ml. Okay, substituting the values, formula baradra 1 marks. Correct substitution of values in the above formula 1 more mark, and with correct answer result and unit 1 more mark. Now WB is 2.12 into 0.0823 into 300 into 1000 divided by 3.89 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 300 get cancelled. Therefore, molar mass of protein is 44.852 into 10 raised to 3 gram per mole. This is the molar mass, or otherwise it is 44,852 gram per mole, or 44.852 into 10 raised to 3 gram per mole is the answer. Otherwise 44,852 gram per mole. Next problem 56. Calculate the osmotic pressure .05% of urea solution in water at 20 degrees Celsius. Given data R is equal to 0.08211 liter atmosphere per mole per Kelvin, and molar mass of urea, that is 60 gram per mole. These are the given data. First two problems are calculation of molar mass. This problem is calculation of osmotic pressure. Here given data are, in this problem, osmotic pressure of 0.05% urea solution in water at 20 degrees Celsius. This is the statement. From this statement and the given values R and MB, we calculate the osmotic pressure of the solution. 0.05% urea solution in water means 0.05 gram of urea is dissolving in 100 ml of solution. 100 ml of the solution. Given data, WB is nothing but 0.05 gram. That is nothing but in statement only 0.05% urea solution in water. And the volume of the solution is, this is mass by volume percentage, and volume is 100 ml. And R value is 0.08211 liter atmosphere per mole per Kelvin. temperature is 20 degrees Celsius plus 273, this is 293 Kelvin. It is converted into Kelvin. Then molar mass is also given, that is 60 gram per mole. Then from these values osmotic pressure is calculated by using a relation pi is equal to WB into RT into 1000 divided by MB into VML. Substituting the values in this equation, WB 0.05 into 0.08211 into 293 into 1000 divided by 60 into 100. Therefore, osmotic pressure of the solution is 0.2 atmosphere. 0.2 because in the unit of R ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ಮೋಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, next is 57th question. A 4% solution of a 4% solution of a non-volatile solute is isotonic with isotonic with 0.702% urea solution. Calculate the molar mass. Molar mass of non-volatile solute. Given is molar mass of urea is equal to 60 gram per mole. This is given data. Here a 4% non-volatile solution of non-volatile solute is isotonic with 0.702% urea solution. For an isotonic solution ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳಿವಿ, osmotic pressure of the two solutions are same, otherwise the concentrations of two solutions are same, or for a same volume the number of moles of two solutions are same. Given datas ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4% urea solution, this is considered as a W1, is equal to 4 gram of urea is dissolving in 100 ml of water and is isotonic with W2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 0.702 gram of urea. W1 is 4 gram, W2 is 0.702 gram of urea and M1 is calculated. M1 is calculated and M2 is given, that is 60 gram per mole. Then for an isotonic solution, solution having same volume, isotonic solution having same volume, that is nothing but N1 is equal to N2. Number of moles of first component is equal to number of moles of second component, and N1 is nothing but, number of moles is nothing but weight by molar mass or mass by molar mass. W1 divided by M1 is equal to, sorry, it is written as MB1 and MB2, because M is nothing but molarity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ MB1 W2 divided by MB2. These three values are known and this MB1 is to be calculated. Therefore, MB1 is equal to, cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ, W1 divided by W2 into MB2. Substituting the values, W1 is 4 gram divided by 0.702 gram into 60. Therefore, molar mass of non-volatile solute is 342 gram per mole, and its molar mass is 342 gram per mole. Next question is, if 1.71 gram of sugar molar mass is 342 gram per mole, is dissolved in 500 cm cube of a solution at 300 Kelvin. What will be its osmotic pressure? Osmotic pressure, and R value is 0.0832 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. Here already solved this type of solution, problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ರ, weight of solute sugar is given, that is 1.71 gram of sugar is dissolved in 500 cm cube of solution at 300 Kelvin, and molar mass of sugar is also given, that is 342. Given datas, WB is 1.71 gram, MB is 342 gram per mole, then volume of the solution in ml, that is 500 cm cube is also same, and ml is also same, and temperature is 300 Kelvin. R value is 0.08282 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. And from these values osmotic pressure is to be calculated, and the direct formula Pi is equal to WB RT into 1000 divided by MB into VML. Substituting the values, 1.71 into 0.0832 into 300 Kelvin into 1000 divided by MB is 342 into 500. Therefore, the osmotic pressure of this solution is 0.25 bar. 0.25 bar. Next is 59th question. A solution containing (13.5 gram) of urea per 500 ml of solution in water has same osmotic pressure as a solution of sucrose in water. Calculate the mass of sucrose present in 500 ml of its solution. In this solution, this is based on isotonic solution. Osmotic pressure ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ isotonic solution concept ಮೇಲೆ this problem. Here, what are the given datas? Given datas are W1 is 13.5 gram. MB1 is W1 is nothing but urea and its molar mass is 60 gram per mole. W2 is calculated and molar mass of sucrose is 342 gram per mole, and this is a based on isotonic solution. For an isotonic solution having same volume Same volume means both the solutions in 500 ml. Same volume means number of moles of one component is equal to number of moles of other component. N1 is equal to N2, and number of moles is W1 divided by MB1 is equal to W2 divided by MB2, and W2 is calculated, therefore W2 is equal to W1 by MB1 into MB2. Substituting the values, W1 is 13.5 divided by its molar mass is 60 into 342. Therefore, weight of sucrose is 76.95. 76.95 gram of sucrose is dissolved in 500 ml of water, is isotonic with 13.5 gram of urea. ಅವೆರಡರದ್ದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, Sixtieth question is the degree of dissociation of calcium nitrate in dilute solution or dilute aqueous solution containing 7 gram of the salt per 100 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius. Is 760 ml. Calculate the vapor pressure of solution. This problem is based on degree of dissociation and want of factor. Here observe carefully in this problem, degree of dissociation of calcium nitrate in dilute aqueous solution containing 7 gram of the salt per 100 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius is 760 mm. Calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. Here vapor pressure ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. First we will write what are the given datas. Given datas are weight of the solute, WB, that is 7 gram, and molar mass of calcium nitrate MB is 164 gram per mole. Formula is given calcium nitrate, and by calculating its molar mass it becomes 164 gram per mole, and WA is solvent, weight of the solvent is 100 gram. Then molar mass of water is 18 gram per. From this, the vapor pressure of pure water PA0 is given 760 mm or mmHg, and P is calculated. Vapor pressure of the solution is calculated from this, and here the calcium nitrate is salt, and dissolving in water it dissociated into constituent ions, and its want of factor is changes, and here want of factor is also calculated. I is to be calculated, and one more, that is pressure. First, calculation of want of factor. First ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ want of factor is calculated, and the calcium nitrate in the solution is dissociated into Ca2 plus 3NO3 minus ions. This dissociated into constituent ions, calcium ion and 1 calcium ion and 3 nitrate ions, and there are total number of ions are 4 and 2. This is 2. Total number of ions, therefore N is equal to 3. N equal to 3, that is nothing but number of ions, and from this degree of dissociation is calculated. That one is degree of dissociation is 1 minute. In problem is sorry, here 70%, and calculate the vapor pressure. PA0 is equal to 760 mm. Make it correct. Degree of dissociation is given, that is 70%, and from this value of N we can calculate the degree want of factor. Want of factor, degree of dissociation alpha is equal to I minus 1 divided by N minus 1. From this relation, want of factor is calculated. Alpha is given, that is 70%. Alpha is 0.7. 70% means 70 divided by percentage means 100, that is nothing but 0.7. Substituting here, 0.7 is equal to I minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Therefore, I minus 1 is equal to 0.7 into 2. This is equal to 1.4. Therefore, I is equal to 1.4 minus 1. This is equal to 0.4 is the want of factor. Sorry, this is plus 2.4 is the want of factor. From the degree of dissociation, want of factor is calculated and its value is 2.4. Then second calculation is calculation of vapor pressure of the solution. Second one is calculation of vapor pressure of solution. Here the solute is ionized in the solution and it dissociated into ions, calcium and nitrate ions, and the degree of dissociation is 70%, and from the degree of dissociation value as well as the number of ions we calculated want of factor, that is 2.4. And the vapor pressure of the solution Pa naught minus P divided by Pa naught is equal to I into Wb divided by Mb into Ma divided by Wa. From this relation we calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. Substitute I is equal to 2.4, then Wb is 7, Ma is 100 divided by Mb is 164 into Ma is 80, and this value becomes Pa naught minus P by Pa naught is, substituting the value, that is 760 minus P divided by 760, and this is transferred to here 760 minus P is equal to 14.01. Therefore, P is equal to 760 minus 14.01. Therefore, vapor pressure of the solution is 745.99 m. This problem is based on relative lowering of vapor pressure, but the degree of dissociation is given, and from the degree of dissociation value first we calculated the want of factor I, and this want of factor is introduced in the relative lowering of vapor pressure because the solute is ionized in the solution, and to reduce or eliminate the abnormal molecular mass, then we substitute the want of factor here, and from this relation the vapor pressure of the solution is calculated. Then 61st question, 0.6 ml of acetic acid having density 1.06 gram per ml. Is dissolved in 1 liter of water. The depression in freezing point observed for this strength of acid was 0.0205 degrees Celsius. Calculate the want of factor and the dissociation constant of acid. Here also in this problem, this is also based on want of factor, and first we have to calculate the want of factor, then degree of or dissociation constant of acid. Here the given datas are ಏನೇನದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. First one is WB is here indirect they given weight of the solute and weight of the solvent. WB is equal to volume into density. The acetic acid volume is given and its density is given. Volume is 0.6 into 1.06, that is equal to 0.636 gram. Then WA is also given, volume is 1 liter, that is 1000 ml into density of the water is 1 and this is 1000 gram. Then from this molar mass of acetic acid Mb is CH3COOH, that is 60 gram per mole. Then delta TF is given, that is 0.0205 Kelvin. Degree Celsius is always equal to Kelvin in their difference, and Kf value for water is known 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Then we can calculate want of factor and Ka, acid dissociation constant anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, dissociation constant of acid. From these values first we calculate the want of factor. First we calculate the want of factor. Calculation of want of factor I, a relation delta TF is equal to I into Kf into WB into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa. Therefore I is equal to cross multiply delta TF into Mb into Wa divided by Kf into Wb into 1000, this is equal to delta TF is 0.0205 into MB, that is 60, into WA is 1000 gram, divided by KF value is 1.86 into WB is 0.636 into 1000. And from this, therefore, I value is 1.04. This is the I value. Want of factor for an acetic acid is 1.04. Next is calculation of degree of dissociation. Calculation of degree of dissociation. Second one is calculation of degree of dissociation, that is alpha. Alpha is the degree of dissociation, and here acetic acid is acts as a weak electrolyte and dissociated in water to acetate anion and H plus. Here initial moles, initial number of moles is, that is initial number of moles of acetic acid is C, and these are 0, and number of moles at equilibrium. Moles at equilibrium is C minus C alpha, C alpha, C alpha. This is studied in the equilibrium topic. Already in Pandra first year dal kalte. Then total number of moles, total number of moles at equilibrium is equal to C minus C alpha plus C alpha plus C alpha. Ivella add modu. C alpha get cancels. This is equal to C is common 1 plus alpha. This is the total number of moles. Then from this we can easily calculate degree of dissociation, that is want of factor equal to number of moles, total number of moles, this is after dissociation, this is before dissociation. This is equal to, before means only acetic acid C. Therefore, want of factor is equal to number of moles of after dissociation divided by number of moles before dissociation. Substituting the values, C into 1 plus alpha divided by C, C get cancels, therefore I is equal to 1 plus alpha, then alpha is equal to I minus 1, I value is 1.04 minus 1, this is equal to 0.04. This is the degree of dissociation. Then third point is dissociation constant. Dissociation constant of an acid, that is Ka. Therefore, Ka is equal to CH3COO minus H plus divided by molar concentration of acetic acid. Here molar concentration of acetate anion is C alpha into C alpha divided by molar concentration, that is C into 1 minus alpha. C get cancelled. This is C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. Alpha is calculated and concentration of C for acetic acid is equal to N divided by V. Number of moles of acetic acid in 1 liter is, the number of moles of acetic acid in 1 liter is WB divided by MB into 1 by V liter. This is equal to 636 divided by 60 into 1 by 1. Therefore, concentration C is equal to 0.0106. This is the concentration of acetic acid, and by substituting the value in this equation, the Ka value is equal to dissociation constant of an acid is 1.767 into 10 raised to minus 5. This is the acid dissociation constant or dissociation constant of acetic acid. Okay. In this problem, this is based on depression of freezing point including want of factor. First, from the given data, want of factor is calculated, then from the want of factor value we calculated the degree of dissociation degree of dissociation alpha value is 0.04, and the dissociation constant of an acid Ka is equal to this, and by substituting the values in this, the concentration is calculated and concentration and alpha values are substituting. The final answer for Ka is 1.767 into 10 raised to minus 5. This is and this completes the numerical problems on solution topics. Okay, and you have to concentrate on numericals on colligative properties, relative lowering, then elevation of boiling point, depression of freezing point, and osmotic pressure. These are the very important problems on colligative properties, and in every year one problem is based on colligative property, that is 3 marks. Okay, thank you.